Hello everyone, I'm Many People, and today I'm bringing a new artificial intelligence tool to the channel that will help a lot of businesses. Let's get into the video. So yes, like I was saying, today I'm bringing a new artificial intelligence tool to the channel. One that will allow all the calls in your company to be handled by an automated bot from Bland. What can it do? Well, the usual thing happens. A client tries to contact us, ends up unattended, gets upset, doesn't receive good service, and ends up losing trust in our company. With this tool, every single call, absolutely all of them, can always be answered. There's a video where we'll see a tutorial with a specific case, actually several cases, just like I'm describing, where the client is upset, unattended, and not receiving good service. And we'll see how they handle things by automating with their bots, allowing us to cover a service without having to convince or hire more employees for the company, or pay extra for additional services, so that all our calls can be answered. Let's get into the video, see what they have to say, and check out our reactions. Alright, let's take a look here. Like I was saying, at the video to see what this person has to say about their experience with Bland. Let's see.
How much did you say Bland saves you a year?
40 million.
This is Emily from My Plan Advocate. How can I help you today?
I was calling about my Medicare plan.
Awesome. Just so I know how to help best. Do you already have Medicare Parts A and Me?
My name is Jake Peters. I am the VP of Product at My Plan Advocate. My Plan Advocate is a national Medicare brokerage. We handle about 200,000 calls a month. Before we started using Bland, the biggest challenge we faced was that a significant number of the inbound calls we received were unqualified for our agents to work on. So Bland was the perfect opportunity to help qualify calls, making sure that any call reaching one of our licensed advocates is qualified enough for a basic sale to be made. We had decided that we couldn't run our business without our AI qualification bot. When we came across Bland, we were using a different provider who was leaving the space. When our previous vendor shut down, we went into crisis mode. We had to find a solution to rebuild this agent. We found Bland to be a great innovation platform for our voice-to-voice AI. But when I first got into Bland, I felt very much at home. I had our first version up and running in about 3 or 4 hours. What happened next was that Josh from Bland stepped in and helped.
So here, he's explaining his personal experience, that he's not an actor or anything, but that is real. Let's see.
He really refined everything it was doing. So Bland was a perfect opportunity to help qualify calls. Emily is our AI agent. When someone calls My Plan Advocate and they're greeted by Emily, we like to present her as the friendly front desk person. Emily handles about 5,000 calls a day, and only around 3,000 of those get qualified. By disqualifying those other 2,000 calls in the first 90 seconds, we saw a 200% increase in conversions just by using her to filter out any call that the agent couldn't handle or couldn't make a sale with. It's been a game changer for the business. By increasing our sales agents' efficiency and getting them one more sale per day, we're able to add $40 million in top-line revenue each year. I think I was genuinely surprised by how real many of our customers believe Emily is. Our agents love her internally, since she gets rid of so many calls that would have just wasted their time. They never would have been able to make a sale on those calls, so she's everyone's favorite employee here. Bland has truly revolutionized the way this business operates by being infinitely scalable and eliminating one of the biggest headaches in the lead generation industry, which is trying to generate successful, qualified calls. This completely changes the game. If Emily shut down tomorrow, the advocates at my company would probably find my house and burn it down.
Well, I'll leave the page for you in the description. As you can see, all the things it has to help our small or big business. You can log in, go, and check out everything it offers. I think the explanatory video makes it very clear everything it has, how it can help us and benefit our company. And I think it's something that can help you cut costs, generate more income, and help your business keep growing and provide good service. This is the future. It's what we have left to keep competing with other companies. Well. I think it's very clear now how this artificial intelligence tool from Bland can benefit our company. It can help us handle all our calls, keep our customers satisfied, like I mentioned before, and stay competitive in whatever market or sector you're in, making sure you serve your clients well and don't lose any of them. I think that nowadays, anyone who doesn't use these kinds of tools just won't be able to compete with other companies on equal footing. We're moving toward much faster systems, work models where you have to stay on the cutting edge. And here, this person has clearly explained how you can work and automate calls using this tool. I think this is something that, if you don't have it today, you're going to need it in the future. And the sooner you get it, the better things will go for your business. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Leave me a like and we'll keep bringing more videos to the channel. Send in a hug. Best regards. I'm Minute People. Bye.